Hi, do you need to improve your English? And do you want to do it in a fun way? Well, you could try my unique method. My name is Zdenek, and I'm a qualified English teacher with over 10 years of experience teaching English, including in London. And English is not even my first language. That's insane, right? And you know what's even more insane? I decided to quit my job and start doing things my way. I have designed a brand new online group course called English Through Board Games. I teach English using games. Currently, I'm looking for students or participants of three different levels: B1, B2, and C1. Okay? So, if you're stuck in your English, if you want to make English speaking friends, if you like games, if you like the idea, if you simply want to try something new, if you need to overcome your fear of talking to native speakers, then why don't you level up your English with English through board games? Send me a private message if you're interested. Even if you're a little bit skeptical, I can explain more to you. I can tell you exactly what this is. And you know what? The price is actually quite affordable because I am a startup. Yeah, I have literally just started and I need to make this more popular. I need to spread the word. Okay, so send me a private message, send me an email, teachersdenek@gmail.com, or go to my website, teachersdenek.com. I look forward to talking to you. Bye.